Hi viewers, welcome you once again to Micro Learning. This is Shailaja with Standard 12 Economics. So today we are going to see lesson number 2, National Income 2.4.1 to 2.4.9. This contains very important concepts. So we are going to see, because last slide I have shown you regarding basic concepts of national income. We saw GDP, GNP, NNP, NDP at factor cost, personal income, disposable income, per capita income, real income, and GDP deflator. So today we are going to see each concept separately with their formulas. So first one is going to be GDP. What is GDP standing for? G stands for gross, D stands for domestic, and P stands for product. Okay. So what is meant by GDP? GDP is the total market value of final goods and services produced within a country during a year. So GDP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. What is C stands for? Consumption, I stands for investment, and G stands for government purchases, X stands for export, and M stands for import. So what did you understand from GDP? GDP tells you whatever goods that is being produced in our country, okay, that has a value. That is supposed to be the final goods. Okay. What do you mean by final goods? Which has a price tag and it can be brought into the market. So final goods and services produced where within our country, okay, during a year. This we call it as GDP. And the formula for GDP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Next we are going to see GNP. Okay, what is the full form of GNP? G stands for gross, N stands for national, P stands for product. So what is the meaning of GNP? It is nothing but the total measure of the flow of final goods and services at market value from current production during a year. So GNP is nothing but the flow of the final goods and services at market value. So what does it results into? In the current production in a country during a year. So the formula for GNP is equal to, so GNP at market price, we call it as GNP at market price is equal to GDP at market price plus net factor income from abroad. So when we calculate gross national product, we are supposed to add the net factor income from abroad. So this is GNP formula. It can be also written as GNP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M plus R minus P. So this is equal to. Next one is NDP. What does NDP stands for? N stands for net, D stands for domestic, P stands for product. What is meant by GDP? It's nothing but the value of the net output of an economy during the year. Some of the capital equipments, they wear and tear out in each other. So for example, we have bought a machine. The machine may run around 5 to 6 years properly. After that, what happens? It has a breakdown. So when you're going to resell that machine, surely we cannot sell it at the same price at what amount we have bought. So we are supposed to sell it at a lesser price and it will go only at a lesser price. So this value is being depreciated. Machine value is being depreciated because of its wear and tear. So net domestic product is nothing but GDP minus depreciation. The next one is GNNP at market price. What does it refers to? It refers to the value of the net output of the economy. So NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation allowance. Now what is NNP at factor cost? NNP at factor cost refers to the total of income payment made to the factors of production. What is the formula for NNP at factor cost? NNP at factor cost is nothing but NNP at market price minus direct tax, indirect taxes plus subsidies. Next one is personal income. What is personal income? Personal income is nothing but the income received by an individual. And he would have not paid any direct taxes. Before he could pay the direct tax, what is the income that he is going to get? That we call it as personal income. How do we calculate personal income? Personal income is equal to national income minus social security contribution and undistributed corporate profit plus transfer payment. What is disposable income? Disposable income is known as that it is an individual's income after he pays the income tax. So previously we have seen about personal income. Personal income we have not paid the direct tax. But disposable income, whatever income you are going to get after the payment of the income tax is called as disposable income. So disposable income is equal to personal income minus direct tax. As the entire disposable income is not spent on consumption, disposable income is equal to consumption plus saving. So all the disposable income is not being, we use it for consumption purpose plus we use it for saving purpose. What is per capita income? The average income of a person of a country in a particular year is called per capita income. Okay, an individual's income is called as per capita income. How do we calculate per capita income? National income by population. Now what is real income? Real income is nothing but it's the buying power of nominal income. So how do we calculate this real income? The real income is calculated by national income at constant price is equal to national income at current price divided by P1 by P0. What does P1 tell you? P1 tells you about the price of the current year and P0 tells you the price index of the base year. This is what is given here. Okay. So national income at constant price is equal to national income at current price divided by price 1 divided by price 0. Next is GDP deflator. What is GDP deflator? It's nothing but the price change of goods and services included in the GNP. So GDP deflator, how do you calculate? GDP deflator is equal to nominal GDP divided by real GDP, which is equal to 100. Now you have a worksheet. Explain GDP with formula. Explain GNP with formula. Differentiate GNP and GDP. Explain NDP and NNP. Distinguish NDP and NNP. What is the difference between NNP at market price and NNP at factor cost? Write a note on personal income. What is disposable income? What is real income? What is GDP deflator? Hi viewers, those who are seeing this channel for the first time, please support me, subscribe, and please click on to the bell button for the further notifications. Thank you very much.